Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your own audio within the Alight Motion video editing app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Alight Motion application on your device. And once you open it up, you can proceed with opening any of your saved projects or creating a new one by tapping on the plus icon. Once you are inside your project, if you wish to add your own audio, click on the plus icon at the bottom right corner. You will now find the audio option from the menu. Go ahead and tap on it and then tap on allow access so that you can use the audio files that are within your device. After allowing your access, you will see all of the audio files that you have within your device. Just choose whichever audio you wish to add and then tap on the plus icon in order to add this to your timeline. And now the music will be added to your timeline and you can tap on it to make your desired edits. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add your own audio onto Alight Motion. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.